I hear her. Made it.
I keep wanting to do that. Come on.
What, do what?
I keep wanting to cut out on me like that, and there's too much oil. There's oil coming out over here. Hi.
I put too much oil in it?
Yes, sir. But it took 2 more.
Damn mechanics. They ain't worth a crap, are they? You gotta know how to ride with a cold bike. You're nervous.
I am.
All right, let's see what's going on with the port
So is
parts
that why it's
first.
going out on me because it's cold?
Yeah, it was cold.
Well, why didn't we warm it up?
It was warm enough. You gotta learn how to ride.
Oh, shit.
How come the pipe's hot?
Yeah, a little bit.
So this is too full now, is what you're saying? There's oil in it. Shouldn't be. Came up a little bit, but not much. Why the hell is
At the gas station, it was spilling over, so I wiped it down. And it starts spilling over again.
That's weird. I don't know why I don't like that.
You probably might have had enough oil in it the last time you rode it.
It was a little low, but it's still fine to height, but for some reason it's blowing oil out of it. So what's it got for breathers in this bike? Should have a breather on it somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, there's the engine breather right there. I'm not sure what's going on with that thing. So whenever you kill a bike, make sure it's in neutral before you start it.
Get it in neutral.
You just wiggle back and forth till it goes up in neutral.
At the gas station, I couldn't do it either, just to turn it off the gas in it. So I had to cut it off in gear because I couldn't find neutral. Let me see you find neutral. Show me something.
Show you how to get neutral?
Yeah, on this, yeah, because it wouldn't catch.
Yeah, put your helmet back. So what gear are you in right now? Not neutral?
Uh-uh. Oh, I do have it in neutral. Nice. That's neutral. Well,
once you got gas and put it in the main tank, then you will have a reserve. If you leave it on reserve all the time, you won't have one.
Oh.
So when you take off, it's cold bike, the idle speed is set real low because we set it hot last time.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Instead of going blip, 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 blip,
That's right,
blip,
that's
blip,
right.
you go up on there and just hold it.
Okay.
About 1500 RPM, 1200 RPM.
Okay.
It's fine. You let the clutch out like normal.
Okay.
You kept blipping it back down to 700, 800 RPM,
Yeah.
motor kept dying on
Yeah.
you. And you were too nervous to figure out how to do that.
Yeah.
Moving around. So don't do that. It works
Okay.
better. Yeah, I don't know why it's not either now. Definitely too low. That's kind of a problem.
What?
Never turned the choke off.
Oh, it went down when I turned it.
You never turned the choke off.
Is that why it's doing that?
That's why it's blubbering. And
Okay,
smoke.
wait, turn it-
Do you see the smoke coming out the tailpipe?
Yeah. Is it off now?
It is now because I lowered it down. So,
Okay.
there's two positions. I told you two.
Yes.
See right here. See in there?
Yeah.
You're in the high spot. Did you hear the double click?
Yeah.
It went all the way down.
Oh, okay. So I just
You were in the second position.
Okay.
So you're on the first choke.
didn't go all the way down. Gotcha.
Now to run better.
Okay. I never had to do all this with the bike, so bear with me.
That's what you gotta learn.
Um,
Now you gotta turn the idle speed back up.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's all the way off? Uh-huh.
Did you get a big suck of air?
Yeah.
It sucked the air from somewhere.
That's what...
Smell it smoking?
Yeah.
Smell it too.
Too much oil?
Too much fuel.
Too much fuel?
Can't you smell the burnt fuel? Unburned fuel?
Oh, shit.
Once you turn the fuel up all the way off, the run's good.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if we're on the oil though. That's it. That's back where it started. Final mixture.
That's for the gas. Richer. Okay.
Slots right like this. Not straight, just a little bit.
Yeah.
I think that's about what we had it before. See the slot?
Yeah. That is.
You can also mark that upper triangle right there with a little bit of nail polish.
Okay.
See exactly what it is.
Alright.
So now you can look at it and see if it's the right spot or wrong spot.
Okay.
Now if you carry a screwdriver with you,
Which I will.
you can go down there, see that idle speed screw?
Yeah.
It's about an angle like this.
Yes.
You can go like this when it's cold. Crank it up to about there.
Okay.
You can go on this one over here and you crank it over to about here.
Okay.
Start the bike up. That'll warm up slightly, and as it warms up, you gotta lean it back out.
Okay.
And then you put it back where it wants to be, which is right about there. And this one was right about down there. Too much. About there.
Okay.
And just turn it back on, it'll start.
Wow. Okay.
Put it back when it wants, it runs.
Right.
And when you don't have where it wants it, it don't run.
It's going to be upset.
So I guess the oil level does not want to be up that high. It wants to be probably that much of a gap underneath that filler. So we'll let a little bit of oil out of there.
Okay.
So
All right.
we now know it doesn't like being too full.
Yes. And with the gas either, right?
You know it runs a lot better with the choke off.
All the way off. Not in second position.
And neutral is not happy finding it right now.
Yeah.
Which I noticed too when I was riding the other night.
See?
See, last night you rode it good, or the night before, you had any problem riding it, but now you can't ride for squat.
Yeah.
So the biggest thing, like when it's cold and you want to go, just keep the idle up a little bit higher.
Okay.
And then do your normal stuff.
Okay.
When you're going back and forth, it keeps dying, not dying, dying, not dying.
Okay.
The choke was on a little bit. Obviously, whatever that first step of the choke is, it doesn't run for squat in that position. And that's how it was when you
What does the choke actually do? Because I've never, like I said, I've never...
It's a fuel enrichment. It's not actually a choke.
Okay.
On the old bikes, they had a choke, they had a butterfly. It actually choked the damn motor off. This one here, it opens up another hole that feeds raw fuel under the carburetor.
Ah.
So it's an enrichment device. It floods in the fuel.
Okay. That's why you want to turn it off right away.
It also lets air come into it to raise the idle speed up
Okay.
at the same time. So whatever's in this combination, it is not liking the choke being on much.
Okay.
So once you get the thing running, as soon as you get off the choke, the best, because it just slows up your plugs.
Gotcha.
So I always like starting it, and then I just raise the idle speed up a little bit. Call it
Okay.
done. You can get like a little pouch or something up here just to poke a screwdriver in there, something like that.
Yeah.
Little adjustments.
That's a good idea. Okay.
Yeah, so a little simple stuff makes it easy to deal with it.
Yeah.
It doesn't hurt to carry a crescent wrench with you too. Screwdriver and a crescent wrench goes a long way.
Okay, I'll put one on each side.
It doesn't hurt.
Thank you. And I don't mind you
Little tools.
putting all my mess ups on there.
Very good.
I'm learning. Learning. Thank you, Tatro.
I don't know squat. I learned don't want no oil in it. Okay, I'm gonna drain some oil out and go for another ride.
All right.
Flip it off.